I closed the deal, and I asked them. I said, "Does it make sense to get started immediately?" And they said yes. And I jumped up and I shook their hand and I said, "You guys made a great decision." And here's the thing, and not trying to be too nitpicky on this stuff. And I have the contract in my hand.
Yeah.
But so a lot of the times I will pitch to the general manager, but at the end of the day, in every single instance, the owner has to sign.
Yep.
And I felt like a rookie for whatever reason, because I looked at, they're both sitting there, and I was like, Luke, should I send you the agreement, or should I send you the agreement? I didn't want to make the GM feel like a nobody because he can't sign. So what should I say in that situation moving forward?
Okay, I'm going to give you a cheat code.
Did I say where's the best place to send the agreement?
No, I'm gonna give you something even better. All right, and it's these sexy, beautiful, amazing words. Okay, so they said they were going to do it. You're going to just write these 3 words down. What happens next? And what happens next is a great way for you to, in this situation, you're going to use what happens next as like a universal tool to figure out who the hell needs to sign this agreement without offending anybody. You're going to say, congratulations, you guys made a great decision. What happens next is I'm going to put together the agreement. You guys are going to sign that on your end. Once we have that signed from your end, and then you're literally going to just go all through all the steps. We'll have your account up and running within 36 to 40. You're going to just basically give them a highlight of what happens next. And then you're going to say, fair enough. And they're going to go, yeah, cool. And then you're going to go, perfect. Who should I send the agreement over to? But it's because you talked about the mechanics of what happens next, it becomes exponentially less offensive than, congratulations, you guys made a great decision. So who's going to be signing this contract, right? So what happens next is more like an air traffic control. I need to set this box here. Then once this box is here, we're going to open the box here. Once the box is open, it's going to go on the conveyor belt. Right? So you're going to go, perfect, you guys made a great decision. What happens next? We're going to have the contract over to you. Once that's signed, our support team will typically respond within about 24 to 48 hours. We'll have everything installed and up and running within about 72, and then you'll be able to see all of your stores on the portal. In terms of getting the agreement, who would be signing that to get this process started? Right? And it just, now you've turned it into a mechanical conversation and not an ego conversation. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I love it. It's really a sales tactic when you start talking about the next steps with okay, here's how the onboarding is going to go. Like once you do it, it's very natural, it's very easy, and it makes a smoother process. So thank you. Again, not to be nitpicky on stuff, but
no, it's a huge one.
Thank you very much.
And I stumbled on this one outside of sales because I was into jujitsu. And I would try and get my friends to do jujitsu. And I'd be like, yo, you want to try jujitsu? And Joel would be like, sure. And Joel would never show up. And I was like, okay, I need to figure out a way to get Joel to actually show up and put the stupid pajamas on and try it out. So I go, hey, Joel, do you want to try jujitsu? Right? Like, does it make sense to blank? And you'd say, sure. And I'd go, awesome. You made a freaking great decision. What happens next? You're going to go online, just go to Easton Training Center and do the little intro course that they have there. What happens next is they'll send you a link at a time. You're going to pull up in your car. You're going to park your car. You're probably going to see like Donald Cerrone or somebody in the parking lot. It's going to scare you. Don't be scared. Nobody's going to hit you. What happens next? You just walk in there. I'll even go to your first class with you, Joel. What happens next? They're going to hand you some silly pajamas. The minute I started like explaining it in bites of what happens next, it's really weird. People started actually doing it. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.